Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best dog crates that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Midwest iCrate Folding Metal Dog Crate. The best puppy crates will be affordable, easy to clean, and versatile, adjusting as your pup grows. This Midwest iCrate checks all the boxes. It's one of the top-rated wire crates on Amazon, comes in a wide range of sizes, and is reasonably priced. It also has a detachable plastic tray that slides out when you need to clean it and a divider panel that lets you set the space in the crate as your puppy grows. Double doors offer more options for your pup to move in and out, which can be helpful when building positive associations with the crate. Reviewers especially like that it's lightweight and simple to set up and take apart, though some report the doors can bend if pulled too forcefully. Moving on, at number 4, we have the Petmate 2-door pet kennel. While pint-sized pups are easy to tote around, they can also benefit from crate training. A properly sized crate for your small dog will keep them safe when you travel and offer them a safe space to rest when you're home. Specifically designed with smaller dogs in mind, this plastic kennel by Petmate offers several small sizes, including a 19-inch crate for toy breeds up to 10 pounds and a 24-inch crate for dogs up to 15 pounds. An extra door on top makes getting your small dog in and out for potty breaks easy, while the rounded ventilation holes help keep prying paws safe. This dog crate also meets most airline cargo requirements, making it an excellent choice for travel. At number 3, we have the EliteField Large Heavy-Duty Dog Crate. Large dogs need a big, strong crate to accommodate their giant frames. This heavy-duty EliteField kennel does the trick with welded steel bars and anti-escape locks. In our testing, this crate securely contained Ruby, a 90-pound Bernese Mountain Dog. Multiple access points make it easy to reach inside to deliver treats and food without the risk of dogs breaking free. The caster wheels also come in handy when moving the heavier crate. While it is an investment, we think the EliteField is a solid crate for large breeds, especially for clever dogs that escape or destroy their kennels. At number 2, we have the Petmate Ultra Vari Dog Kennel. Plastic crates are often ideal for kennel training since they're generally affordable and easy to clean. Made with durable recycled plastic and metal screws, the Petmate Ultra Vari Dog Kennel offers a tough but comfortable crate for on the go or at home. The wire door and vents provide plenty of airflow, and a robust latch keeps the door secure while still being easy to open with one hand. A few modifications, like switching out the metal bolts for plastic, will also make this kennel suitable for air travel. Available in 14 different sizes, this versatile plastic crate fits dogs of all types. And finally, at number 1, we have the EliteField 3-door soft folding dog crate. Once your dog is crate trained, a soft-sided kennel is great to have around. These lightweight and affordable dog crates are usually easier to transport and store. Not to mention, they're a tad more stylish than many other types of kennels. Quality materials and a sturdy frame are a couple of reasons why the EliteField is one of the most popular soft crates on the pet market. In our review, we found the collapsible design simple to pop up, take down, and carry, with a travel case to boot. We liked that the crate offers more space for taller, leggier dogs with 2 inches extra in width and 4 inches in height. There's also ventilation on all sides and 3 doors, including the one on top. Extra perks include a washable fleece bed and a detachable accessory bag. Thanks you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon